Jagoro mongirore Migao mar thieth Kimtai kaachiel gi jatend hospital maduong' ma Kenyatta Everson Kamuri koro dwaro ni tim nonro ne board mar hospital ma Kenyatta ewi mibadhi mantiere motenore gi nyiepo mar dag muya kata oxygen manomuonyo milionde modhuro mag omenda. Kane gilose kinde mane dayo dhogi gi komiti mar od bura mochung' ne weche thieth, jodito ariyogo koro dwaro ni board no ler gimomiyo dag muya no pok ochako tich kata obedo ni ne oketo omenda tenge ni chenro makamano.
That the pipes that they used are not the oxygen grade pipes, and he has been given that to respond to it. The CIT chairs just say that he has supplied 50 out of the 800. Is it 800? He has supplied 50% of that, and is still installing those pipes. The final, and as per the tender document, what we require from this tender is they need to supply, which they have supplied, they have delivered, they have done installation, they are doing the testing, and then they are yet to do the training. And finally, we commission the plant.
Is the contractor on site?
Yes. The contractor is on site.
Charles Owino Likowa Manyoro MCA's